We are finally here at the big forest.
The air smells like pine trees and fresh water.
Let us find a good place for our tent.
This is the perfect spot for our campfire.
I will hold the poles very steady, Dad. Are there any big monsters in these woods?
There are no monsters, only beautiful wild animals.
I am ready for a very big lunch.
Everything tastes better when we are outside. I am too full to eat anymore.
We must pick up every small piece of food.
The birds will eat the small crumbs, Amy.
Food smells attract the big bears, Joe.
I will lock the box later tonight, I promise.
Look at the small silverfish swimming there. Wow! The water is very cold and very fun.
It is time to start the warm campfire.
The fire is very bright and very hot.
These are the best treats in the world. I hear a strange noise in the dark. It is just the trees talking to each other.
Joe, did you lock the food box yet?
I forgot. I will do it right now.
Something very big is moving over there. Everyone, please go inside the tent slowly. I can hear something heavy walking outside.
A giant bear is standing near our table.
Stay very quiet and do not move at all.
He is eating all of our delicious food.
We should go to the car for safety.
The bear is right in front of the door.
He smells the chocolate on my hands, Mom. We have to make a loud noise, Dad.
No. That might make the bear very angry.
He is trying to get inside the tent.
My teddy bear is alone with the big giant. I will get it back for you, Mia.
You are staying right here with us, Ben.
I am so sorry I forgot the food.
He is very strong and very scary, Dad. He is just hungry because of our mistake.
I will make noise to save my family. Loud! Go away, bear! Leave our camp right now!
He is moving away from the tent door. He is taking my toy into the dark woods. I have to go after him and help.
Wait until the forest is completely silent again.
We are safe, but Mia's toy is gone.
I am going to find the bear's home.
I will come with you to be safe.
I hope the bear is not still hungry. The giant went this way toward the cave.
Everyone must stay very close to each other.
Look! The giant bear is sleeping over there. Look! He has a little baby bear with him. He didn't steal it to eat. He took it for his baby.
Do not move. Stay very, very still.
We are not here to hurt you, giant. Here is some food for your little cub. He likes the apple very much, Ben.
He knows we are helping his baby now.
He is giving the toy back to you.
Thank you, Big Giant. You are a good dad.
They are just a family, just like us.
I think he wants us to go home now.
I cannot believe we just met a giant.
You were very brave today, my children. The forest is a very special and kind place.
I will never leave food out again, Amy.
My toy has a very big story to tell. I learned that we must share this world.
Nature is beautiful when we are respectful.
I want to go back to the forest. Maybe when the snow is gone, Mia.
Our family is the strongest team I know.
This was the best camping trip of my life.
I will miss the trees and the giant. Goodbye, Big Bear. Goodbye, little cub.
Bears just want to keep their babies safe.
I felt so small next to him, Mom.
I am locking it now, even at home.
The giant is sleeping in his cave now.
You are a very kind boy, Ben.
He smells like the river and the forest. We are safe because we work together, Dad. I am not afraid of the woods anymore.
The world is full of amazing secrets.
Sleep well, my big brown friend.
We have a lot of stories to tell.
You are a very brave toy, little bear. He was not scary. He was just a father.
Nature is a gift we must protect forever.
I saw a giant bear, but I learned that the forest is his home, and we are just guests.